Hello everybody, welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator CC 2021 tutorial. In this one, I'm going to show you how to do a paper cutout effect just like this, step by step. The first step to get this going is you want to go to File, New, inside Illustrator of course, and we're going to create a 1000 pixel by 1000 pixel document. Go ahead and left click on Create, and we've got ourselves a nice square looking little document. The next step is you want to select the pencil tool, so you want to click N, or you can just go to your toolbar and select it. And we're going to draw three quick shapes. I'm going to do this very quickly because I just want to show you the technique. It's a really ugly shape, whatever. I'm going to draw a shape on the inside, nice and goofy looking like this. All right, and then I'm going to draw a third and final wobbly shape, something like that. Okay, we're not going to win any awards for that, but we just want to show you the technique. Okay, good. We've got our shapes, and they're really, really bad, but whatever, no biggie. The next step, I want to left click on the direct selection tool, and I'm going to click on some of the shapes that I don't like as much. So this one here should be rounded, I think. And then I'm going to click on this one here, and I'm going to round this one here. So I just don't like the hard edges so much. So I'm going to round that a little bit. And maybe this one will, it's ugly. But that's okay. Doesn't matter. That's really all we need to do. So we've got some rounded edges and whatever. Now, let's go ahead and get cracking. The first step is I'm going to left click on the direct selection tool. I'm going to work on the inner shape first. I'm going to remove the stroke. So I'm going to go to stroke, and I'm going to click on this button here, which removes it, so none. And I'm going to set the fill color to dark red. I'm going to select the second little shape. I'm also going to click fill. I'm going to make the fill on this one an orange color, and I'm also going to remove the stroke. And then I'm going to left click on the third and final shape. I am going to make the fill for this one, I don't know, let's make it yellow. And we're also going to remove the stroke. So we've got three shapes, kind of ugly looking, but no biggie. The next step is you want to go to the middle. So I'm going to left click on the middle here. I'm going to actually use the direct selection tool. And now I'm going to add some drop shadow. Go to left click on this. So we've got our shape selected. Go to Effect, go to Stylize, and then go to Drop Shadow. For this, I've got 15 pixels of X offset and 15 pixels of Y offset, and a blur 5 pixels, mode of multiply. You can adjust these, of course, as you see fit, but this works pretty good for the demonstration. Left click on OK. Go to the second stroke, or second shape, sorry. Go to Effect, go to Stylize, and left click on Drop Shadow. Do the same. We're going to do it 1/3 time for the third and final shape. Go to Effect, go to Stylize, go to Drop Shadow. Okay, here we go, and left click on OK. Now we've got some paper cutout type shapes here in the look, but they're like the paper is sort of stacked on each other and it's levitating. That's actually not exactly what we want, although it is a cool look. We're going to left click on all of them, so we're going to select everything here. We're going to go to our pathfinder tool, and we are going to go to divide. We are going to divide and then conquer. Okay, well, we're just going to divide. But now we can go ahead and start sending shapes forward and back to finalize the look. For the middle shape, we want this one to be at the bottom, and right now it's at the top. So we clicked on this shape, we're going to right click on it, and we're going to arrange, and we're going to go send to back. This now makes it look like it's cut out, which is the look we're going for. The middle one is supposed to be in the middle, and it is where it's supposed to be, so that looks just fine. The third and final shape, which is the yellow one, is supposed to be at the top, and it's right now at the bottom. So we're going to right click on the third shape, we're going to go to Arrange, and we're going to bring it to the front. When we bring it to the front, and we look at this, and we click out, we've got the yellow shape, which is cut out. We have the orange underneath it, which is cut out, and then we have the red cut out underneath it. That's it, guys. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Ton more stuff coming up. Stay tuned.